feel the rhythm in your smile. You pull me close and drive me wild. Your heartbeat's calling out my name, and every moment feels a flame. Oh, baby,
Hello everybody! Okay lang po ba kayo? Medyo mainit po ba? Or maganda naman po ang ating view? Enjoy the view, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon everybody! Welcome to this momentous occasion, the official opening and ribbon cutting of the Elmer's Hotel and Adventure Park. We stand here as we celebrate amazing occasion of the new beginning and opportunities. But first of all, I want all of you to have a big smile. Pwede po bang smile tayo? Kasi it's a new beginning. Kailangan maganda, nakangiti po tayo. Ayan, mukhang na-excite po ang lahat. So, on behalf of Agri-Component Hotel and Resort Development Corporation, it is my distinct honor to welcome you all to this momentous occasion, the grand opening and ribbon cutting ceremony of the newest branch, proudly bearing the trade name the Elmer's Hotel and Adventure Park. Today's destination, may we now invite our honored guests and company leaders to come forward for the ceremonial cutting of ribbon. First, Eduardo Villamor, come to the front top. Mr. Rolando Rupa, Mr. Samuel Carino, and Sir Victor Aborto. Instead of Sir Aborto, Mr. Alvin De Leon. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga board of directors, leaders, ayan. Sobrang excited po ang lahat. Pwede po bang ba ang lahat? Para makita na natin kung gaano ka-amazing ang loob at napakagandang hotel na ito that we will be going to promote soon. Lahat po dito lang sa Aurora and also sa buong Pilipinas. Pwede po ba yun? Yes! Yes, syempre naman po yes. And pwede po ba mag-cut tayo ng ating, mag-clap po tayo at the count of 3. We're gonna do that. We're gonna have a message coming from our Chairman, Emeritus President of ACHRDC, Mr. Elmer A. Bakiran. Palakpakan naman po natin si Sir.
First of all, I would like to express my gratitude and thanks to those who came for this occasion. This is just a soft opening, meaning we cannot think of any other date, but we decided to open, although not yet finished, in time for our 34th anniversary for Agri-Component. Yung pangalan po, the Elmer's, nagkataon lang po yan. It's not mine. Ano lang po, per Merriam Dictionary, Elmer is famous. Yun lang po. So, instead of using the famous hotel and adventure park, tinaon lang sa pangalan ko. Pero hindi po sa akin ito, sa Agri-Component po. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpunta at nawa.
Practice po ba? In 3, 2, 1! Ladies and gentlemen, ang ating bagong-bagong The Elmer's Hotel and Adventure Park. Palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa, lalo-lalo na po ang ating mga leaders, bosses, and all. At this venture po, we will going to have a picture taking po. Okay, smile po tayo. Siguro, sir, forward po tayo dito sa unahan. Yes po, one step forward lang po. Para magkasya tayo. Guys, tayo na, picture tayo. Wala daw pong maiiwan, sabi ko Mr. Wala daw pong kasama. Okay. So guys, ganito po Ganito po mga boss. Ganito po Para po wala na kayo sa picture, ilabas na po yung mga para meron tayong practice. Para lang po makikita yung mukha. Okay? Say, Henry! Oh, eto sa goal po tayo. So, kailangan po muna. Congratulations! And then, okay. Practice po muna tayo. Practice, practice. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Si Engineer Michael Concepcion. Palakpakan naman natin si Engineer. Congratulations, sir. Okay, congratulations po. This time, magtutur na po tayo sa napakagaling po natin ng bawat isa at sama-sama po tayong iikot sa loob ng The Elmers Hotel and
KTV ba? Teka lang po dito.
Minimalist ang design. CR po. Ano lang, simple lang.
Kung din po nakagawa siya ng isang ganito, tuloy-tuloy na yun. Marami nang kilala. Maliwat yung focus na kita.